Hi, my name is Ashish and I am a manager marketing and communication for Fuji Electric. Here in the HIPLEX, Fuji Electric is like giving entire energy and automation solutions for every industry, especially when the you have your application is critical, like plastic industry where applications are very critical and we need continuous power. So here we are giving energy and automation solutions. We have our UPS power backup solutions. We have our stabilizer here in display. Apart from that, we are also keeping our automation solutions like drive. We have PLC, HMI, which goes with applications. This at HIPLEX, we are partnering with all those OEM to support them, if, achieving their, application very efficiently, and also for their operational efficiency, which would be helping them to achieve their greater competitive advantage. So thank you for that.